Warning, cringy moment incoming. This is a cringe alert. I repeat, this is a cringe alert.
What is that? What the fuck is that?
Bruh.
Really, nigga?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?